This video is brought to you by Business. Go get you some so you can mind yours. And if you can't, you might as well like the video, share it with somebody, or leave a comment on what you would like to see. I appreciate y'all.
Uh-oh. Who?
It's Ozzy's turn, right?
Alonzo won.
No, I did.
No, it's give up the stick, Lorenzo.
Yes, I did. I won.
Come on, we ain't going nowhere. Sit down right here.
Give up the stick, Lorenzo.
Here, go.
He just saying what's up to his brother.
Okay.
That's
I think Zoe got to press X. Zoe, go ahead and get the stick. You won. It's right there.
But she got his own stick, though.
Oh, y'all switch. Y'all
Well,
switch.
you know,
Hit turbo. Hit the turbo, Zoe. Hit the turbo. Oh. Good job. Hit the turbo now. Oh, there you go.
I got boosted.
There you go.
What? No.
What's up with you, man?
Oh!
He hit the turbo.
You hear that?
Yeah, I seen it. I seen it. Super speed, yes, sir.
I took my off one time and I'm all out of it. Get out of here. No, y'all got this at home.
Good job. Yeah.
That's why we finna do the freestyle. Get that.
I want to do that.
Your turn.
You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
Go to a freestyle.
I want you to play with me, Daddy.
Oh, I ain't gonna hold back on you. Ready,
go.
Okay, Ozzy, look at you. You playing?
Hold on. I want to watch the footage.
You wanna watch the footage?
Guys, yes.
Well, good job. Oh my God. How you do it?
On the door, on the wall.
On the wall?
Yeah.
All right, slow down. Sit down right here with me, okay?
Hey.
What? Chill out.
I got Jackie.
Take it down.
He didn't do his move this time.
This is pretty good.
So you took a bath?
Yeah.
I brought stuff.
Whoa. Where's the bathroom?
Where's Papa? It's bags in the car. I'm separating over.
Where's the bathroom? Let go. Please, somebody save me. Ow, let go. Ow, get off me. How you doing it? I need to hold you.
What's wrong, Tater? Daddy.
What's wrong, buddy? You wanna get that?
Hey.
It's okay, Zoe. What do you want to do? Freestyle or?
Freestyle. Freestyle. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Nobody want to see you chewing, Luna?
Thank you. I was meaning to grab that. Huh?
What?
No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes.
Your picture's going pop, pop, pop. And he got a little rumble seat. That's not getting that one.
Lorenzo.
Put it on.
Okay. All right.
This is young Lenny Kravitz.
Okay, let me show.
What would you like to say to your fans?
You see that? That's pretty. They did that with some sticks.
What? That's what you'd like to say, rough, rough?
What?
Okay.
Yes. What's up? What?
Have to go find his allergy medicine. You ain't asked for Daddy? He didn't tell me he wanted one.
Well, you didn't bring the
I thought
last
that
one
was on
back.
camera.
Mama.
Oh.
Okay. He needs his not his Zyrtec. I don't know if you ever had that. It should be in the counter.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. He can
It's because he wants to chase Lorenzo and he likes when Lorenzo screams from him.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
He doesn't.
It's happy screams. No, I need to. I want to play with
Oh, he just tried to throw a left hook.
Can't say that.
Does not even know word.
Oh, the hearing was right there.
Yeah.
I gotta find Lorenzo's Zyrtec.
Mahiri, no.
I got it.
Y'all told Zozo he the protector.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's protecting Mahiri from Alea yesterday.
Let him know he the oldest and he gotta look out for her. Good job, buddy. Hey, Zoe, high five.
You recording Ozzy?
I'm recording my time.
You a big
Like, what
boy.
about the?
You recording me, I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
I'm recording me. You. I'm recording you.
I never liked paparazzi.
Come here.
Tater tot?
You got crust in your eyes?
Tater mater? Tater mater?
Just always burn on it.
If he wants to be happy with you.
How fast you did it, you know what I'm saying? You just parted out little parts.
I put 4 sections.
Turn this up.
Gia has a lot of hair, so I did 4
Boom,
sections.
cut it in half.
And then I cut those sections in half, and I did like how many? 2 per section. 2. So boom.
2 braids per section?
Two so sections. It was 4 braids per section. They were chunky.
So
3.
4,
4.
4, 4, 4, 4.
Yes. So
Good morning.
I got it now. So you cut this in half.
Greg, do you want to start?
No.
Don't watch your big dance.
What?
Everybody gotta brush the teeth.
I just walked through somebody's car. Was it you, Tay Tay?
Whoa.
Gotta brush mine.
He's putting on your son's Crocs.
I want a picture with all my grandkids. I want to lay out Luna wake up right now. Put them all in the bed with me.
Girl, them girls not asleep. Okay.
Wake them all up right now. And put them all
Come
in the
on. Ah,
Right, didn't you?
give it a breakfast.
No, I didn't fart, man. Did you fart?
No, I didn't.
I smelled it too. It smells sour.
That's not my type of car.
I don't know what y'all doing.
ate your
Y'all
last
better
what's the name?
stop.
You probably should not go be on the bed.
Oh
Look at Uncle Greg. Look at Uncle Greg, Zoe. Lorenzo, look at Uncle Greg. He's right there. Everybody look up, cheese.
I didn't do this test. Mommy, get out.
You say what?
I'll be right back. You're gonna smother the grill.
Wait, open the door. I need to suspend it. I turned the wheel and I went backwards through the door.
Say what, Ozzy?
That my cousin.
Yeah.
Bro. Is it really?
The main road is the road up to our house. Our house like 2 streets up, 2 roads over.
What is it, 29 something? What is it?
Yeah, 2920, and it go right into.
2920. I recognize them stoves. I was like, I know that.
Do I watch it? Watch it.
Go, I'm watching. Whoa.
What's this? An Onido bag. Oh, be right there.
Ain't no B.
No.
Tay-Tay. Tay-Tay.
That's on me.
Pine cone.
Let me see your stick. Whoa.
Take it to the fire for Pawpaw. Look, there's a bunch of little ones in there
Scary ass.
too. Here, let me put them in your pocket.
Yeah.
Stop pine cone stick. Right there.
Look, Tay
Look
Tay
at Tater
found
Tot. Tater Tot
Tay
picking
Tay
up a
found
stick.
some. You need a big file?
Put it in there. Put it in there, Tater Tot. Uh-oh, don't step in the fire.
Yeah, be careful, dude.
Can I start the fire?
No.
Look, he wants his stick back that he put in there. It can't be fire just putting sticks on there.
Leia.
Look, it's stuck to him.
Lele.
Look, go help Pawpaw. Go over there with Pawpaw.
There's a chair over somewhere in the woods. I saw it. Oh, I found one. I found a chair.
What the heck
I
was
thought
that?
she was talking to.
Yeah.
Can I go sit in the chair?
Can you go sit in the chair? Can she swim? They're gonna be.
Look, there comes Tay Tay.
Come on, buddy. Man, you moving. There's too many bugs. That's probably why my foot was itching so bad. To the point of no return. I was gonna cut a toe off. Was it too many bugs? There was too many bugs. That's a good one. That's a good one. Good job. Damn it. Yeah. You want to take one of my sticks?
No, Dad. Here.
Yeah, that's one of my sticks. Well, come on. We just need sticks on the side. What's wrong? You found a stick? Is that Tater? Super speed.
Yeah. That's a big fire.
Okay.
That's a big fire.
Hey, you need to be getting content.
That's a big fire. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How many to put on there?
That's why I said y'all want to put some clothes in the.
I mean,
Don't be scared.
No, you trying to throw it in there. Hold it. Oh, you don't like
are
the
y'all
hot?
watching?
Is it too
Y'all want
hot?
grandma to do it first?
Yeah, it's fire.
You want to see me do? We'll do it.
Yeah,
He
look.
trying to get out of here. Ooh.
Light it and you put some chocolate.
It's hot.
Oh my God, you just.
My eyes burning from here.
Okay, come here. Look. What? You want to see a magic
You said
trick?
start
Watch.
the fire. Now you shouldn't be doing this. You told me to start that fire before Grandma even got
I
here.
didn't know it was gonna be burning.
What? It's a
You
fire.
don't know fire is hot?
It is hot, but not that
Look, there you go.
No,
Oh my
fire is
God.
hot. Stop acting like a baby before I see you in the house.
Little fires are hot and big fires are even hotter. Remember that.
Baby,
Come over here.
baby, I'm right here. You ate the marshmallow?
I just ate the marshmallow off the thing.
You liked it? You're so good.
Hold on.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Tame the beast. Tame it.
It's done. Baby, it didn't even get hot.
You just want it a little warm. That's all right. Medium rare. Yeah, you in timeout, buddy.
I don't want to burn. I don't want to burn.
You're not gonna burn. You're not gonna burn.
Grandma's gonna protect you. Look.
I don't want to burn.
Let me help you.
It's all right.
Okay.
Well, you better start acting right.
Oh my goodness, it's not on.
Yeah, I can help you. Do it with me though, okay?
Come on, light
Come
all
on.
that damn fire. Shit.
It's all right. It's not. I got you.
Eat it. You're not gonna eat it. Eat the damn thing.
It is. It don't burn that much. It burn
Y'all ain't no fun.
It burned that much.
Here, now eat it.
It's hot. It's hot outside.
You cook the whole?
Okay, grandma, eat it.
Oh, I caught one too. They said everything else covered. We gonna go for your hands. Oh, they ruthless. Dang, he caught me too. I'm mad.
Christopher reaching in like that.
Shit, I need a long ass stick.
This is cool in Michigan. This is not cool in Texas. It be cold. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh man, put your coat on. We're going here. We already burned it up. Now it's even hotter. You liable to start a forest fire. This could be a natural catastrophe.
My boobs are sweating.
Oh, wow.
My clothes are sticking to me.
That's your Tourette's?
No, it ain't my Tourette's. It's my titties are wet.
What are you doing?
Throw it in there.
You're gonna try to fight the fire.
Tay.
Where is Mookie? Is it too
That
hot?
was me, baby. Sorry.
You're gonna try to fight the fire with that.
Help Gia.
I threw something in.
The fire is gonna win. Put that stick back down. Oh!
Hey. Let's stop throwing stuff. It's already out of control.
Somebody threw something. I got hit in the face.
Your son?
Yes, sir.
He just... Don't get so close to it.
God damn, can you open this?
You just put it on your face,
Burnt my fingers up.
Luna.
I had to move the crackers because y'all is taking over.
See, that's how it's supposed to be.
You know what? They do not do this other place. They lying. That's only on TV.
This is what a nigga looks like when he's not trying to get bit by mosquitoes.
What you say? She's howl like a wolf. Huh? She said, what happens if she howls like a wolf?
Oh, go ahead and try it.
You might summon them.
Get out of wolf.
You made a s'mores in moderation, Mom? You ain't eating s'mores, Mom. You eating just the ingredients of s'mores. Gia, what just happened?
It's too hot.
I just want to say something about these bug off, mosquito off products. Y'all suck.
No.
Y'all do not
now
keep
they
the
out
mosquitoes off.
Can you get all these kids out here howling? Hey, I need you to owl back.
Huh?
Huh?
I think you need to. I won't back.
You see what she
Sit, squat down.
sit? Squat down.
There you go.
Ah! My eyes are burning and my
Come
mouth
here,
is
come here, come here,
burning.
come back, come back.
No, I stay
Ow,
here.
ow, ow. I'm gonna summon the wolf.
What animal is that?
Get your graham cracker and chocolate ready.
Okay, I'm standing back. I'm standing back.
Standing far
Grandma
back.
finna quit.
Oh,
Grandma finna go inside.
Dang, I was gonna get you in your hot girl in here. Oh, that was my hot girl pose. Here for your chocolate right here.
Girl, her hot girl pose is over. That booty is gone.
That ain't even got nothing to do with no hot girl.
Camp, it was so fun. Now I'm gonna go in the house. Grandma quit. I'm done.
No, I don't quit.
So you're not supposed to be a quitter, Grandma.
I don't want. You don't have to be a Twitter.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be at Twitter today. What you crying for? Cause I'm gonna be a Twitter.
Oh, okay.
What you use for the seasoning, Dad?
What you see? Season, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder.
Any wise words to say just about life? Do you have a statement you want to say?
I got a bunch of shit I want to say, but I ain't. All of them make sense, you know what I'm saying? All the cliches, everything, all the little sayings. There's some realness about it.
There's some type of reasoning or truth to everything.
Yep.